what's going on, y'all? Jimmy Macrum. It's time for episode 4 of season 2 of Sons of Anarchy. Let's get to it.
Be safe.
Thanks.
This is depressing. That face about.
I'm your old lady.
That's hilarious.
Come on. Let's get you
Aww, that's adorable. Thank you.
Larry with the kids?
The kids are fine, Jax.
Chitty, bang, bang.
Fucking ghost. Okay, that is.
It feels real, like soft, you know, squishy, like it's not like a real ball. I don't even. Come on, I don't even know what that means. Like what? It's modern technology.
Modern technology, absolutely. This guy's hilarious. Everything he appears. This boring business Nazi. I'm here for it.
I'm all about the cause.
You can tell them yourself?
Edmund.
Jimmy O, some of the Falcon crew. May become stateside in 10 minutes.
Anything I can do?
I've down the keys to the gold Sebring.
Sure, darling. Right this way, sweet cheeks.
Thanks.
Sweet cheeks. Wow, these fucking cocksuckers.
Good morning. You're looking for Sherman's? They closed last month. Hope it wasn't a return.
Sorry, man.
Oh, fucking Gemma. I don't even know what to do. Same thing you can do. You don't want to tell Clay. You don't want to tell Jax.
Excuse me, are you leaving?
Oh, jeez. Don't fuck her up.
Are you leaving or what?
She's gonna fuck her up off GP.
Oh, shit.
That's the only thing I'm afraid of, is somebody else catching it unwarranted. Oh, Jesus.
Got a disturbing call from a woman who says you pulled a gun on her.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
Just, yeah? What the hell am I supposed to do with that?
Joe is hilarious.
There's something I gotta do. I'll be okay.
Whoa. Want to give me the gun?
Sure.
I'll return it later.
We need the gun! What we're about to do, just in case! Oh, Gemma.
You'll see.
So the Escalade was blurred out
Sorry,
in the earlier scene.
Call Red Bluff. Need this guy's shuttle. Quicker the better.
Okay.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, what are you doing now? What the fuck?
That's the feeling I can't warn you. It's the walls. Everybody doesn't know. Whoa. Get up. What do you need? Get off me. Jesus. God damn it. Hey, what's my like it, dick?
Vote all you want. I'm delivering the gun.
Oh, shit.
Some days I can't even get my dick out of my pants.
Those are prospects for. We gotta go get the tank. This thing between you and Jax, I don't know what it is, but it's pulling focus from what we are. I'm with you either way.
God damn it. I think I love Opie. So does that mean we get fucked on these guns?
He just needs to know we've got his back.
It's like you have no idea.
You tell me. You seem to get a lot of visitors on both sides of the law.
That is not a great look, no.
Don't think on it too hard, Doc. Come across something don't make you miserable. Enjoy it.
This is great goddamn advice. Love you, Chief.
Shut your mouth, asshole.
Oh, you were clearly in it because of your aggression issues.
You heard what he said?
And you're at least half a fag. You're probably in love with him. And this job, it's your way of staying close.
Knock it off!
Assault and indecent exposure inside a livestock transport.
Shit.
Sick bastard.
It's a mess.
Bet you got half a stiffy. Oprah.
Gag him.
Oprah. Oh, shit.
Get him out of here now! Get off the name! Get out of here!
Get.
Whoa! I love Tig too. He's a complete piece of garbage. I love Tig.
Call the guys.
Call a vote.
We don't call a vote.
You lay your goddamn hands on me!
Hey, you two, come on! Everybody's fried. And it's my fault. I got Tig hurt. Everybody clear your head.
This shit is going so sideways.
Where are you going?
You want to get this done, jump on the back.
I love that! This is so bad. And badass.
Hop up, ladies!
Holy shit.
Really gotta go this time, right? Thanks for everything, and hopefully we do it again sometime. Go, go! Go, go, go!
Oh, Gemma, you don't have a gun! You don't have a gun! Oh, of course she does. I'm an idiot. This is not gonna work.
How's practice? Well, that's awesome, Cliffy. I told you. You focus, shit happens, right? Yeah. Absolutely. Should be.
Poor fucking Gemma.
What the hell does that mean?
You tell me, bro.
Don't drag me into whatever bullshit you got going on with stepdaddy, all right?
Yeah.
That was mad sassy on Jack's part. And unnecessary.
You just have to blame it on the, dementia.
Oh, shit.
It'll be a long ride, Tigger.
Get another straw.
He fucks dead bodies, but he wants another straw.
I got no idea how to help you, Gemma. All I can do is my job. I ain't gonna let nothing else bad happen to you.
Okay.
Night.
No, sir. Jesus!
Jackson's got to get over his dead daddy shit.
Bollocks. They can't deal with the fact he's getting older and the kids pushing him out.
Clay's not going anywhere.
Jesus. Opie was a little rough just now, no? In my opinion. Not Opie.
Well, you got decades of experience. Why don't you tell me how I do that? How I get right with you trying to kill a brother behind the club's back. You little tricker boy blowing an innocent woman's head off.
As if you mention Donna or the incident again, I'll kill you.
Jesus. Look at that face. It's not a face of forgiveness, I would say. Alright, that was episode 4 of season 2 of Sons of Anarchy, Where to Begin. That was actually a really fun episode. All things considered, though, it felt like it was laying the groundwork for shit to go impossibly sideways. We knew that the group was picking up on the new Clay and Jack's dynamic. This was the first time it was more than out in the open. They got physical with each other, pushing and shoving, but still. How awesome is it that Jax is in favor of saving Tig, who he's pissed at for killing Donna, though would have killed Opie, and Opie is here taking Clay's side when Clay has tried to have him killed. That's a fantastic dynamic. I assume at some point Jax is going to spill the beans. I assume that's where a lot of his anger about this situation comes from. With Opie, I mean, where he sees Opie apparently a little closer with Clay than he thought, or I definitely thought. And he can't say anything about it. Jax is not the sharpest knife in the drawer. I'll say that much. When it comes to moving strategically, while he is good tactically, coming up with a battle plan and fucking putting that into action, when it comes to like long-term thinking, or maybe he just cares for the club more than I think. The fact that you wear the fucking vest is enough. You know, he's not the biggest fan of Tig at the moment. Still gonna say the smart move would be let whatever happens to Tig happen. Therefore, Clay is down a super soldier. Wins for everybody. But whatever. I love Tig. Tig is hilarious in every possible way. He's a preposterous character as soon as that people exists, and I'm glad I'm getting to see him on the show. Gemma concerns me in more than a little bit. I'm pretty much with Hunter on this. She's going to hurt somebody. It appears she wasn't able to hurt Super Nazi. I'm not sure why that is. He was on the phone with his kid. Maybe that's what did it. Maybe she just couldn't do it. I don't know. But it's going to blow up at some point. We know this. I just hope it's at somebody who deserves it. Super Nazi's perfect. Or Business Nazi. But Business Nazi's going to get his. We know this. He's going to get his from Super Nazi, in my opinion. For working with the goddamn mines. Anything else? I don't think so. I love Unto I thought. I love that little backstory we got. Tara's growing on me tremendously. Bobby's fucking up last couple episodes. Proby's got an extra nut. He calling her Proby for probation, but it's not probation. She's a prospect. Anyway, post your comments down below. Like, share, subscribe.